back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead opportunity for you. This one is a part-time, flexible schedule. The company Food Tank is looking for a social media video content creator. Now, this is making short social media videos such as Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and YouTube Shorts. So you're looking at videos that are like a minute or less, maybe up to 2 minutes, but very short videos. Of course, the link to this, if you're interested, is in the YouTube description box below this video. So this is going to be part-time. It is going to be a contractor role, but they are paying up to $150 per reel or per short video that you make. They're looking for someone to only commit to 5 to 10 hours per week. So this is perfect if you want a little bit side hustle, side gig to work in between your full-time jobs to make a little bit of extra money. Now, it does say they're looking for someone who is self-motivated and can help them build their presence on social media. So they're really looking to up their game and grow their TikTok, their YouTube, and their Instagram. So they are looking for someone who can pitch and create the weekly content to raise awareness to their 12 core issue areas. You'll have to be able to develop innovative ways to translate Food Tank's programming, editorial, and podcast content into attention-catching, funny, and engaging videos. You may have the potential to attend, promote, and curate social content at their upcoming summits. So you'll channel the organization's voice to engage their audience for the broader food movement. Of course, this means you'll have to stay up to date on the latest TikTok trends, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. I can go ahead and tell you YouTube Shorts just got monetized on February 1st, so there's a lot of changes going on in the short space right now. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in, they are looking for someone who can demonstrate experience in performing on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram Reels. So if you have social media presence already, someone who understands social media best practices, someone who has a passion for building a better food system and is familiarity with food, someone who has great communication skills and great organizational skills. Now, if you scroll down the page, they do have other opportunities as well. If you don't want to do the whole TikTok thing, but you're interested in writing articles or something, they have other opportunities. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.